Welcome to How AI Works Without the Math. In this session, we'll break down artificial intelligence concepts in simple terms, making it easy to understand for everyone. Today, we'll explore how AI works using simple, real-life examples, no equations or technical jargon. AI is already part of your daily life, from your phone's suggestions to email spam filters. Unlike traditional software, AI learns from examples to make predictions or decisions, like a fast-learning student who improves by observing rather than memorizing rules. For instance, a spam filter doesn't just follow a list of forbidden words. It learns patterns from thousands of emails you've marked as spam, getting better at spotting spam over time. AI systems are built on three main components: data, models, and training. Data is the foundation, like a textbook for a student. The model is the brain that looks for patterns in the data. Training is the study process. The more examples the model sees, the better it gets at making decisions, like recognizing a cat in a photo or spotting a positive review. The AI learning process starts by collecting lots of examples, then feeding them into a model that looks for patterns. The model is tested. Does it catch spam correctly? If not, it adjusts. Once trained, the AI can look at a brand new email and predict if it's spam, even if it's never seen that exact message before. AI sees the world as numbers. For example, customer features like age, gender, and country become a list of numbers. For text, each word is assigned a number based on its place in a dictionary. This translation lets AI compare, group, and analyze things that seem very different to us. Once everything is numbers, the model learns which numbers matter most. In reviews, for example, love might get a high weight for positive and terrible for negative. During training, the model sees the correct answer for each example. After training, it can predict the label for new data, like deciding if a new review is positive or negative. Imagine uploading a cat photo. The image is converted into numbers the computer can analyze. The model processes these numbers through layers, each looking for patterns, like shapes of ears or whiskers. If the numbers match what it learned as cat, it classifies the image as a cat with high confidence. Take the sentence, "I love this product." Each word is turned into a number. The model is trained with labeled examples and learns that love signals positivity. Later, when it sees this is terrible, it recognizes terrible as negative and predicts the review is negative, even if it's never seen that exact sentence before. AI is like a detective that finds clues. It doesn't understand the story, but it's great at spotting patterns. For spam, it notices emails with phrases like win money or prize are often spam. It doesn't know what win means, but it recognizes the pattern and uses it to make decisions. A practical example is the email spam filter. The AI system is trained on thousands of emails labeled as spam or not spam. It learns to identify patterns, such as keywords, sender behavior, or formatting. Once trained, the AI evaluates new emails and flags those that match learned patterns, getting more accurate as it processes more data. At an abstract level, an AI model is like a black box with three stages: input, processing, and output. Data goes in, is analyzed for patterns, and a prediction or decision comes out. While the internal workings might be complex, it's important to know the model learns from data to produce useful outcomes. AI isn't magic or alive. It's a tool that learns from data and helps with repetitive tasks, like sorting emails or recommending movies. It doesn't have feelings or intuition, just patterns and numbers. Think of AI as a smart assistant trained to help with data-intensive tasks. Get to know these terms. Inputs are objects, features are the numbers that describe them. The model is the decision maker. Training is how it learns. Prediction is the answer it gives, and data is the fuel that powers everything. These basics will help you understand any AI conversation. AI operates by learning from data instead of following fixed rules. It identifies patterns to make predictions and decisions, improving with more data. You likely interact with AI daily through spam filters, recommendations, or voice assistants. Understanding the basics empowers you to engage with AI technologies thoughtfully. See you in the next session, where we'll cover types of AI and common buzzwords.